Hello everyone, we're going to be removing the drive belt and tensioner for this 2005 Mercury Montego. As you can see, well, you can't see this, but I put the vehicle in neutral, put some rocks back there so it doesn't roll back. Jacked up the car, put the tire underneath, and then remove this cover right here. So to release tension on the tensioner, what you want to do is grab your, it's a 3/8 drive, you put it in there and then you turn it counterclockwise, and then you can remove the belt, taking it off this pulley at the top right here. From there you basically make your way around the whole car and remove most of the belt. And then the last part is you're gonna have to remove your tensioner pulley so you can pull out the rest of the belt. So that's what we're doing right now. That's a 15mm, and I started it with this ratchet, and the way you gotta get it in here is put the ratchet on its side like this and then flip it on the socket like this. If you just want to go like this and then put it on there, it won't let you do that. And then once you have it, once it's not tight, you grab yourself a ratcheting wrench and then just finish it off with that, and I'll be right back once I get that off. Alright, so it came out, and it came out like this. So make sure whenever, and there's a bolt you're going to be releasing, make sure whenever you put your, this is a 3/8 drive, I use with the serpentine belt remover. So whenever you remove this bolt right here, and then you put whenever you put the belt back on, you put it on like this. Make sure the belt is in between the pulley, and make sure it's in between these two slots whenever you put it in. Alright, so this is a new tensioner pulley, and that's a new belt right there. They are both forward. You want them to last long, and if you see back here, it's got two slots, so those have to go in those two holes right there, and obviously the bolt in the middle. So, and you have to do all this with the belt already in here. Once you have it in there, you can't take it out. Once you have it in there, if you can get the belt in there, but you're gonna have to slide it in there, and there's not too much room. I suggest you put the belt on right now and put it in there just like this. Slide it in there and then start tightening the bolt. I just got done installing the belt. I will give you a tip. Whenever you install the belt, I told you to put this side like this. Let me just get it out of here. Alright, so whenever you install the belt needs to sit on the tensioner something like this. This flat side has to be against the pulley all around. So it'd be something like this. Like that. So, and then from here, once you have your belt like this, with the stripes on the outside, the flat side on the inside, you want to make your belt look like that. That way, whenever it goes around here, is the lines, and then once it goes here, it's the edges again. So there you guys go. Now to put all this back, I already tightened that bolt. Put this back, put all those plastic clips on there, tire back on. Go inside the car, get it out of neutral, then remove the rocks you put back there, bring down the car, tighten the bolts, everything. You guys know. But that's basically how you change out the drive belt and the drive belt tensioner. Alright, so I just got done putting the